How to get Bookmap data for free 2026 full guide. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to access real-time market order flow data from Bookmap completely free. This is actual live data, not delayed data. Let's break down your free data options. Bookmap shows you real-time order flow through heat maps. You see where buyers and sellers are placing orders at each price level. This is the data that shows market liquidity, support, resistance, and institutional activity. This data is normally locked behind paid plans, but Bookmap offers some of it free. Bookmap's digital free tier gives you unlimited real-time crypto data from over 20 major exchanges including Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Bybit. What you get: real-time order flow heat maps. Live data updated instantly. Large lot tracker showing big institutional orders. Iceberg detector finding hidden orders. Custom alerts, educational webinars, no delays, no limits on data refresh rate. Truly real-time. Step 1. Go to bookmap.com. Step 2. Click sign up free. Step 3. Create your account. No credit card needed. Step 4. Select the digital free tier. Step 5. Choose a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 6. You now see real-time order flow data for that crypto. Limitation: one symbol at a time. Switch symbols and you lose the previous one. The free tier also includes delayed US stock and futures data. This means 15 to 20-minute delays, but still valuable for learning. What you get: delayed order flow heat maps for stocks, delayed futures data, same core indicators, free alerts. Why delayed? Real-time stock and futures data costs money from data providers. Bookmap passes that cost savings to you with delayed data. Same as option 1. Create a free digital account, select US stocks or futures, you get delayed order flow visualization. Free data option 3. 3 rotating symbols via Thinkorswim *. If you use TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform, you can get Bookmap data through their integration. What you get: 3 rotating symbols that change periodically. Example: EASE AMZN coin rotate every few days. You can experiment with different symbols without paying. Live data through Thinkorswim. Full heat maps and indicators. Step 1. Open your Thinkorswim platform on TD Ameritrade. Step 2. Contact Thinkorswim support. Step 3. Ask them to enable Bookmap for your account. Step 4. They activate the rotating 3-symbol trial. Step 5. View Bookmap data directly within Thinkorswim. Real-time means data updates instantly as orders happen. This is valuable. Order flow heat maps show price levels and their liquidity. Darker colors mean more orders. Lighter colors mean fewer orders. Large lot tracker shows when institutions place big orders. These move markets. Iceberg detector finds hidden orders that traders place to disguise their true intent. All of this is included free in the digital tier. One symbol at a time on digital tier. You can't monitor multiple assets simultaneously, but you can switch between them. Crypto only for real time. Stocks and futures are delayed. No advanced features like custom scripts or API access. Educational focused, not for professional trading firms. Paper trade with free data. Use it to practice without risking money. Learn order flow concepts. Understanding how to read heat maps takes time. Track one asset deeply. Master Bitcoin order flow before moving to others. Combine with your broker's charting. Use free Bookmap data plus your trading platform's charts. You need real-time stock or futures data. Professional traders need this. You want to monitor multiple symbols simultaneously. Institutions need this. You need API access or custom indicators. Advanced traders need this. That's when you upgrade to Global $49 month or Premium $99 month. Free crypto order flow real-time, one symbol. Go to bookmap.com, sign up free, select digital tier. Free delayed data, US stocks and futures. 15 to 20-minute delay, same account. Free Thinkorswim data, 3 rotating symbols. Contact TOS support. Enable Bookmap, all free, no credit card. No trial ending, permanent free access. If this helped you access free Bookmap data, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me what asset you're tracking with the free data. Thanks for watching.